Behat is an open source behavior-driven development framework, or BDD framework, for PHP. It lets us write human-readable stories that describe a feature of our app. These stories can then be automatically tested against our application to validate it. Let's see how we can use Behat in PhpStorm. To make use of Behat, we first have to install it on our system. We can do this using var, by going through the settings, finding the Behat configuration here, and using the link to downloads. Another option is using Composer. Using the context menu and add dependency, we can search packages for Behat. Once found, we can install it into our project. There we are. The project I have here already contains a number of tests. To run them, we need a run configuration. Let's create one. We can use the Behat configuration type and then give it a name, provide a path to our tests, and so on. An easier way to create a run configuration is by using the context menu. Let's find one of our tests in a .feature file and use it to create a run configuration. PhpStorm will automatically populate all required settings, but of course, we could also make changes here if we want to. Let's save it and then run it. Just like when running PHP unit, the IDE will open a new tool window in which we can explore our tests and their results. We can show or hide past tests, as well as look into statistics on test execution. Behat uses Gherkin as the language in which to write test stories. We can navigate to declarations of a test method by holding Ctrl or Command on Mac OS X and hovering it. Before clicking, we can see where this will navigate. Clicking will bring us there. We can also use find usages on a step in all .feature files. This will open up a tool window in which we can see all usages of the method in our project. Of course, we also have to write our test stories. All keywords and steps provide syntax highlighting and code completion. All steps are indexed by PhpStorm, and our custom steps will be available too. Speaking of custom steps, let's use an undefined one. For example, when pigs can fly. PhpStorm will show a warning that this step does not exist. Altenter lets us create it, in a new file or an existing one. Let's go with a new one. We can provide a file name, and PhpStorm will then automatically generate a test step function and the relevant regular expression in the PHP doc block. The only thing left, of course, is implementing it. More tutorials and videos are available from our website. Thank you for watching and take care.